how to fix keep loading problem on Messenger. Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. If you are having issues with Messenger loading on your phone, in this video I'll show you how to solve it in just a few simple steps. So let's get started. First, turn off your Wi-Fi, then enable mobile data. Next, open your phone settings and scroll down and tap on Wi-Fi and network. From there, tap on VPN and turn it off. Next, open settings again and go to apps and notifications. Find Messenger and scroll down to storage. You can clear the cache and storage or force stop the app. Lastly, open the Play Store and search for Messenger and check for updates. If there is no update available, consider downloading Messenger Lite temporarily. If you continue to face the same problem, please let me know in the comment section below. And that's it. If you like this tutorial, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching and we will see you again in the next video.